Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make lettuce miso soup. Lettuce is not only for salad, it's great for miso soup. You don't need to cook it a long time like potato, so it's very quick to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this lettuce miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some lettuce, as much as you like. 2 teaspoons hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and 4 tablespoons miso paste. Put 4 cups of water and hondashi in the pot. And just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's cut lettuce. To remove the core, smash it to the cutting board. And you can easily pull it out. Then, using your hand, just tear it into bite-sized pieces. The broth is boiling, so let's put the miso. I'm using this miso strainer so that I don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in the soup bowl. When I make miso soup, I normally cook the vegetable first and then miso next. But today it's lettuce and I never want to overcook it, so miso first today. Let's dunk the strainer and push the miso out. Then lettuce. Cook for 10 to 15 seconds to wilt the lettuce and it's done. Serve in the soup bowl. And lettuce miso soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. The soup first. いただきます。And some lettuce. The lettuce is wilted, but it's still crispy. It's very important not to overcook the lettuce, so cook it no longer than 15 seconds. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Lettuce miso soup goes here and plain rice here. You can have anything you like for the other 3, but how about sweet chili chicken for the main and green beans with sesame sauce for one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!